In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the UA series to convert Modbus TCP to OPC UA. In this demo, a PC uses Modbus TCP to communicate with the UA2241M, which converts the data to OPC UA. The table compares all UA models. Pause the video to select the model that best suits your project. First, use a Modbus Slave tool to simulate a Modbus flow meter. Set the flow meter with 3 parameters: temperature, pressure, and flow rate as shown in the table. Run the Modbus Slave tool. Set the parameters of the demo flow meter. Set the connect data. Set up the example values. Set up the Modbus TCP module in the UA user interface. Enter the IP address of your UA series. Log into the UA UI with your username and password. Go to the function wizard to set the function Modbus TCP to OPC UA. Follow the steps to set up the project. Step 1. Module setting. Then set the scalings. Check the next step to set up the OPC UA server. The OPC UA server and server certificate have default values, and users can change them based on their own settings. The UA series offers various security policies that users can select according to their needs. This video demonstrates how to select the highest level option. Set up the login username and password. Go to the UA client software and copy or download the client certificate. The certificate may be in a different folder. Please find your device certificate folder. Click the step 3 to upload the OPC UA certificate. Click on the next step to enable the parameters. Enable temperature of I/O and the pressure flow rate of scaling. Then save and run the project. Check the module in the UA interface. Compare the data with the Modbus TCP tool. Change the data to test. Test the data in the UA Modbus TCP module in the OPC UA client. Go to a OPC UA client. Here we use UA Expert. Add the demo UA server using the UA IP address followed by the UA port 48010. Select the UA security setting and enter the UA's username and password. Connect to the UA series. If the certificate data is correct and valid, you can press the Trust Credentials button. Now display the data in the OPC UA client. Rearrange the windows vertically. The OPC UA client window should be at the top, and the Modbus Slave window at the bottom. If Modbus Slave communication is disconnected, the OPC UA client window will immediately display data in red, indicating a bad status.